Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. This is a special weekend edition. I normally only post job leads Monday through Friday, so I just want to say I hope you are having a fabulous weekend, and I hope you have a fabulous weekend ahead. Have fun with all your friends and family, and enjoy life. But I mentioned in one of my videos that I posted yesterday that I was thinking about doing a weekly roundup. So my process for finding job leads that I share on this channel is that I'm always scrolling different job boards on the lookout, different times a day, multiple times a day. Sometimes when I'm watching TV, sometimes when I'm just drinking my coffee, I am always scrolling. And so I bookmark and make note of a lot of the work from home jobs that I see that look promising. And then, of course, throughout the week, I share the best ones. So I normally end up with a lot on a list that I chose not to share for whatever reason. Maybe they have some limited state restrictions, location restrictions. Maybe some of them require like a college degree, or like one of them that I have on this weekly roundup is specifically for nurses looking to not be in the hospital doing patient care, but looking to work from home. So they're more specialized. And so that is what I have for you today. All of the jobs that I chose not to share, I have posted all on my website where you can go scroll through them and look at what is there. There's 25 of them, so I'm hoping there's a little bit of something for everyone. Of course, I do just real quickly want to ask that if you enjoy job leads, or if you like these end of the week weekly roundups, let me know. Give this video a thumbs up, like button, leave a comment down below, share with all your friends and family. But real quickly, the link is in the YouTube description box below this video to this actual page on my website, and it is labeled Weekly Roundup Work From Home Jobs for January 20th and 21st. So if you can't find the link, go to beautifullifeinterrupted.com and look for this post. Now there's 25 jobs. We have things from like a Restaurant 365 is hiring a support specialist. We've got part-time virtual live event associates. We have cash applications receivable specialist. We have a medical billing and coding like tutors, RN clinical documentation specialist. We have some customer service rep jobs, another customer service jobs, some healthcare like member health advocates. So these are going to be phone work customer service jobs. And I don't share a lot of these during the week because most people are looking for non-phone. But if you're one of those who like customer service, there's a lot here for you. We've got jobs in the tax industry. There's even some worldwide jobs available. So if you keep scrolling down, we've got IT, help desk, and the worldwide jobs are marked with worldwide beside them. So like Ivy's is hiring a fraud and chargeback assistant. This one's going to be worldwide. There's at least one or two more worldwide. The account executive chat is also hiring worldwide. So there's hopefully a little bit of something for everyone, but I just wanted to share. Going forward, I might just post the link to the blog post in my community page on this channel, but I just wanted to make a quick video showing you what I've done on the website until this becomes a thing and everyone is used to it. But of course, again, enjoy your fabulous weekend ahead. Hope some of these 25 remote work from home jobs that are hiring right now are perfect for you, and I'll be back really, really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.